Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll show how to change the Canon LBP 3300 fuser film and pressure roller. Replacing the fuser roller in a Canon LBP 3300 printer is a task that requires precision and care. The fuser roller is a critical component responsible for fixing toner onto paper by applying heat and pressure during the printing process. Over time, the fuser roller may wear out or develop issues, necessitating replacement to ensure optimal print quality and performance. Here's a detailed guide on how to change the fuser roller in a Canon LBP 3300 printer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video. Before beginning any maintenance procedure, ensure that the printer is turned off and unplugged from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Allow the printer to cool down for at least 30 minutes to ensure that the fuser unit is not hot to the touch. Open the printer's front cover to access the toner cartridge compartment. Remove the toner cartridge by gently pulling it out of the printer. Set it aside in a safe place. Locate the fuser unit assembly at the back of the toner cartridge compartment. The fuser unit is typically a metal or plastic component with rollers and heating elements. Depending on the printer model, there may be screws or locking tabs securing the fuser unit in place. Use a screwdriver or your fingers to loosen or release these fasteners. Carefully slide the fuser unit out of its housing. Be cautious as the fuser unit may still be hot. Once the fuser unit is removed from the printer, locate the fuser roller assembly. The fuser roller is typically a cylindrical component covered with a heat-resistant coating. Identify the screws or clips holding the fuser roller in place. Use appropriate tools to loosen or remove these fasteners. Gently pull out the old fuser roller from its mounting brackets or holders. Take the replacement fuser roller and align it with the mounting brackets or holders in the fuser unit assembly. Secure the new fuser roller in place using the screws or clips removed earlier. Ensure that it is firmly seated and properly aligned. Slide the fuser unit back into its housing in the printer, making sure it is inserted correctly. Secure the fuser unit in place by tightening any screws or locking tabs that were loosened earlier. Reinstall the toner cartridge into the printer's toner cartridge compartment. Close the printer's front cover securely. Plug in the printer and turn it on. Print a test page to verify that the new fuser roller is installed correctly and that the printer is functioning properly. If the test page looks good and there are no error messages, the fuser roller replacement process is complete.
By following these steps carefully, you can successfully replace the fuser roller in your Canon LBP 3300 printer, ensuring continued high-quality prints and reliable performance.